Recording I have started sharing. Okay.
Okay.
So right now I have told you here we have done with click count only clicks as a string we have taken. Then we have text box. Now with the this is also getting applied. Okay. This is not expired. Okay. I told you this not expires. So this is not getting expired. So click count is like we have talked about string. We have talked about text box. Okay. So text box we discussed about view state, but I haven't told view state. Same if we put here view state, same it will work. Let me do here if I put like this, and I will make you understand what is view state. Let me write it and then I will make you understand that. Let me write whole program. Okay.
Okay.
In view state, I will declare any object like this. Mm, and this is click count. You take click. Okay. Do you do like this? Here you put this like this. This as will put. Here I need to put to string. This is int or what? This is string only. This inside this only I have done int dot parse. This I need to make, I think. No, this oh, wait. I have not put in quotes. This I have not put in. Okay, this. Okay, and cannot convert object to string. I put here this. Ah, okay. So now this view state will come here. You can do like this also. Okay, you can do like this also. Okay. So I have what I have done. I have this is getting hanged. Wait. This this is simple program only if it get hangs. I needed for them like for that training I needed them. This is getting hanged. This problem, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, this problem will only come for 2 days. Okay. Then I will get uninstall this Amazon toolkit. I need to then again install for them. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I have two systems even, but I need to install in that also. That Visual Studio for if like tomorrow I need to install in it that, and because of this problem also I'm not getting even like rest even. That is why I'm not getting. I have two systems even. Let me see. Let me close this and let me see this. Let me open this again. Okay. Again it got hanged. अरे यार, how I will do? Let me close this and let me open it again. I will open from there, this file, if it is not going from designer. Okay. Let me open one more window. Mm. This open na? See. So I was saying this text box you already have. Okay, text box one, button one. Okay. So in this text box, your that view state will be saved. Again, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, this and that. Okay, but that state is getting saved. Your response is going to another page and your state would be saved. Let me show you. View state means you are taking response to another page. Okay. You are saving the state of that page. It is by that you are passing data from one page to another page. Okay. So this is right now. See, I have put here if is not post back. Okay. So after view state will get saved. Here text box I'm not. I'm saving it in view state. That is why it is not getting displayed as one here. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, you understood, na? In view state,
yeah,
I'm saving one. That is why it is not getting displayed. One here. Okay. If I put here
okay,
text box, then one displayed. I have saved in view state. So if I show you here, let me view page source. There is one view state. This is one view state. Okay. With some ID. Okay. And there
okay,
is no other view state. अभी टेक्स्ट बॉक्स की व्यू स्टेट नहीं बनी है. ठीक है.
okay,
Okay, and I will now click it. Now 2 has come. I will again do view page source. See this ID, this ID. See this, let me say, see this ID got changed. View state data gets saved in this hidden controls. And this view state generator. This is view state generator. Okay, this is view state. Okay, and this ID got changed, this value. If you decrypt this value, then you will get your value. This value got changed. See, let me increase it. If I increase it, then ID get changed. Okay, let me click. This response actually to like why it is not increasing, because response has already been gone. Okay, this response has already been gone in the view state. This will not increase. Okay.
Okay.
So if I do here, see, if I do here, if I open this page again, this will simple page. Okay. And if I do
Yeah.
here, if I do open view page source again, see, this ID again got changed. See, I told you, na? Okay. This one. See, plus Z, this one. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
This ID again got changed. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it saves the view state. Okay.
Okay.
So even if you keep here a view state text box, there will be different things with view state, with string, with text box. Everyone will be having a different things, it will be getting evolved. Okay.
Yeah.
So now if you see here, you were asking that day that toolboxes. Let me go to design. See, in this toolbox, if you see, here are checkbox, drop down list, this, then data is there. So all the ASP.NET controls come from this. Okay, this all. Okay, although we use grid view, repeater, these are the like advanced topics of .NET. Okay, grid view, repeater, and all. Okay, and then this login button, if you want to use, you can use. Otherwise, you can, people use their own user control, means customize user control. That is another topic, that when we make user control. Okay, these are the HTML controls which we can convert in in ASP.NET. First, I will tell you what is the difference between ASP.NET controls and HTML controls. Let me take one text box. I've taken one text box. Wait. This is why it has come ASP. This is okay. This it has make ASP and this has make it HTML. That is why. Okay. So let me give it there here. And where is that text box? That is gone. Okay. So if I want to put break here, I will put break here. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So I'll put one more break here. Some gap I want to give. These are the two breaks. Okay. Then I will, if I run, if I run it, I'll run it now. Okay. Let me see that that is there. Button one click. This I will, this I will comment it. Comment. You can do comment from here. Hello.
Yeah.
You can do comment out the selected lines. Okay.
Okay.
And you click on this. So see if I put, this is, let me see which is which is text box, and that is what? Let me see. If I if I put test here and here also, na, one test will go and one test will remain here. Okay, let me click. See, this has gone now. So this is HTML control. This HTML control does not save their state. I told you na, HTTP is a stateless protocol. So HTML does not save their state. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So to make save their state, what we can do, how we can convert them to ASP.NET controls? You can do here. See, if you put here this ID is also, see, this is text one, na, this will not come. If you see behind, this text one will not come. See, it is not coming. And if you put run at here, if you put here run at server, run at makes like ASP.NET controls. Okay, that only saves the state. Okay,
Okay.
so you do here means it will come in server. Okay, so you put here, see, it will come, start coming here. See, understood? See, text work one. If you put like this, don't put dot text. You have to put text one dot value. Now, not text. Text will not work in this case. Okay.
Okay.
Don't put here text. Text will not come. Okay. Value only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This so now I'll tell you some controls. Okay. Like checkbox. Checkbox, if you know, if I click on this checkbox, I click on this. Okay, okay. It has come. Okay. Checkbox has come and one drop down also I will keep. Okay, these two I have kept. Okay. And let me show you the difference. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. This I will keep inside. And this will I will remove. The design see, this I have not put. That is why it is coming. This I have not put. Okay, now it will come. And this checkbox is also facing some problem. This server, this extra break, this. Okay. So this checkbox is there. Now you want a name here. Instead of checkbox, you want some like one to two checkbox you want, and then you want this name here. How will you put that? Here you can put checkbox like checked.
Checkbox also like we dragged it from tools, right?
Yeah. So checkbox is also like this, and event will work like this checkbox dot changed. So you can click here. When this checkbox got changed, then you can write that SQL Server code. Also, you can write, or maybe like this. Like let me do you this. This you want this. You want like suppose you want in this text. Like you can do this. You can write here text box one dot value. is equal to uh changed. You can write this. This will come. Okay. Let me tell. I think auto post back also I need to do. Let's see first, and then I will tell you what is auto post back. Okay. Let's do once. Mm. When you do here, auto post back I need to put. Okay. Let me do. So here, if you see here, this auto bounce back means it is getting posted when you're getting checked. Okay. Okay. Your button, your checkbox you are doing, that is automatically get checked. That is automatically getting posting the response. Okay. When your checkbox is checked, your checkbox is automatically sending the response. Okay.
Okay.
So you go in design. Here you go. Here auto post back must be there. Or I need to put on by own. Is not there, then let's see it's come here or not. Yeah, see, auto post back. Okay, auto post back is equal to true. Okay, this you need to do. This will work. Same in case of text box. If you want to make that search, Google box search na. Hello.
Yeah.
If you want to make that search box with the text box, if I write something in text box, that will get searched. So that on the change of text, that can you can make with auto post back true. That will also I will show you. Okay, in a minute. See, it came.
Right.
Okay, let me show you with that also. Yeah, project got closed. Let me open it again. Mm. One I taught you clicked on text box. Now I am teaching you on change of text, how the text you can search. Okay. So here if you put one text box is there. This is
This one
the
is it also C sharp? This AS dot ASPX, that file I didn't understand what it is.
this is ASP.NET itself. This is advanced topics. This is all are these are all advanced topics. Like
Okay.
auto post back. This one can teach you this checkbox check. This this nobody will teach you auto post back true. This I in 10 years I have learned this. This comes when you make applications like this, Google applications, like this one, like I in my .NET full stack, this whole engine people prepares this whole engine. Okay, so suppose you are now I'm teaching you this. Suppose you put this, and it should like enter not. Don't put enter. Like you just put this. It is happening on the button now. This not should happen on the button. This on
Right.
change of text. I'm teaching you. Okay. Here, see here, if you see here, I'll come here. I think this is the ASP text. Yeah. So if you come here, this I will, earlier I taught you this. And click, I told you, button click. But now I'm teaching you text box change. Means in text, if text changes, event should occur. Okay. So if I click on this, I double click on this. Okay. So something could just should happen. So see, let me do. Now I will change something value in this. Okay. So here what I've done, I'll do here auto post back true. Again, auto post back true. Okay. Now let's see. Now my classes are like, if in second month also na that like my new classes are also coming, I will buy then Zoom Premium. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I will buy then Zoom Premium. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if I write something here, this is only I think text box. Um, this is not, I think this is not, this is the one. Let me type it. Let me do. This is not happening. This is happening. Ah, this is. Let me reload it. This I open it again. See, if I write here something, change, and you do this should come like this. Okay, in this, okay. Wait. This is second one. Okay. This is mm, this is the thing. So you put here something and then see. You seen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you are putting some text, you need to click out. Then this post back will work. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now I will show you this drop down, how this drop down works. Now this drop down is, there is nothing in this, unbound it is. Okay. You can bound this. How you can bound this? Let me show you SQL Server also. The data source ID. First, I will show you items, then how to bind it with the database. How can you do it? Okay.
Okay.
So here select ID. Mm. So you can do ASP list item. Okay, ASP list item, and you can add here ID. ID also you can give, and you can do text something text black, black, one value equal to 0. This is one ASP item, and again you will add one more item. Here you add this ball, and this is one, and here you add you to make it selected. See, you can do this also. Selected is equal to true. Okay, so this will
Yeah.
show you. And here if you do this now, uh, add a, if you want to add one more, this select a value. This will not, you don't want to get selected, you can do this also. Select a value. Okay, and you don't want to give any value, this will come on by own. Okay, this is not required also. See here, see it is selected, this is not selected. Okay, I put selected equal to true, black one. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how I done. This is I'm entering the values by manually. If I don't want by manually, how I would be doing? By database. So how I would be doing? Stop debugging. Uh, f- I'm showing you this by by this designing, and then I will show you by coding also. This drop down list how we do, how we bind it. Okay.
Okay.
Then I will close the lecture because that is very okay. So you do here, you click on this, you do choose a data source. Okay, click on this. Now you do here new data source. Okay, and here you give some name, random name. Okay, you are understanding.
Yeah. Yeah.
So then you do here new connection. Why it is not coming? Yeah. So new connection. Click on SQL Server. Okay. Now you give the SQL Server name. I will open SQL Server now. Mm, mm. So now you will copy this dot this will you will put here. Okay, this database will get loaded. This is not coming because that is trusted server. Let me connect this again, that has come. So you put this. Okay, this you do. Now
Okay.
it will come. Okay. So suppose I took mountain bike here. It has lot of bikes. That is why I'm doing with this. Okay. Okay. You click here. Okay. This has connection has been done. Now you click on this connection string. Now your connection string has been built. Okay. Next. Mountain bike. Save this as connection string. Now you can build the object. Okay. Bike model ID. This will come. Okay. I want to bind this model ID and brand, suppose. Okay. So you want to put like this test query. See, understood?
Okay. Yeah, I know. I
You know
know
this.
this part.
This part you know.
I mean, it is similar to my tools, so
Okay. So I'll click on finish. Press OK. But you will not be knowing by coding how it will come. That you must be not knowing, na.
right. Yeah, I know only this connection string part.
You don't know by coding how, but then I will show you by coding how also it will. Mm. See, this all has come. If I put here, like if I added this, instead of value, it will come